Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we just got in on our lot a brand new line of toy haulers. This is a beautiful Nitro XLR model 28TQDL. It's got nice laminated side walls, fiberglass skin, diamond plate rock guard up front, electric tongue jack, 12 volt deep cycle battery, two 20-pound propane tanks, 4 corner leveling jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, large pass-through storage space up front, 6-gallon hot water heater, exterior shower, hot and cold, 92-gallon freshwater tank, 54-gallon gray water, and 32-gallon black water tanks. It's got onboard fuel station, black tank flush, excuse me. This unit is 37.5 feet long, 102 inches wide, 7,400 pounds, super lightweight for a travel trailer toy hauler. This is a fantastic unit. It's got an electric or a magnetic screen that pulls down here in the back, outside patio, held by 2 cables out here, extended from the inside of the unit. LED strip underneath the electric, nice big electric awning, outside speakers, tinted safety glass windows, big grab handle on the entrance door, correct track alignment system. It's a very, very nice unit. White exterior color, very sharp. Let's take a look inside. Up front is your bedroom. Also, right before you get into your bedroom is your control panel. It's got all your lights and your generator controls right there. Run your awning in and out, run your lights underneath your awning. Thermostat just to the right of that, as well as a couple light switches. Connected to your bedroom is your bathroom with your porcelain foot flush stool and sink, corner glass shower, detachable shower head, overhead skylight above that as well. Nice large cabinet space from ceiling to the floor. The heater vent down below that as well. AC is ducted through the ceilings, heat blows through the floors. You got a power vent right here above your toilet. Again, 2 doors, 2 entrances to this bathroom. One from the hallway, one from your bedroom. In your bedroom, you have a queen size mattress. That is plenty of space here in the bedroom. LED lights throughout the whole unit. Nice day-night shades and window valances. TV antenna here. Place to hook up your TV right over here in this corner. Moving on up to the toy hauler room. Here's your kitchen with a 50/50 sink, stainless steel, solid surface countertops, solid surface sink covers as well. Very sturdy, very well made. Dometic refrigerator and freezer. That is a gas or electric. 30 amp power service hooked up to this unit. Place it right above the TV to hook up, or the refrigerator, hook up another TV. More storage, overhead storage, runs all the way back to your power beds. As well as over here you have a nice big pantry from ceiling to floor. Inside and outside speakers on this unit. Inside you have a couple up here. Looks like 4 here in the toy hauler room, 2 in your bedroom, 2 outside. Here's your stereo system to work your inside and outside speakers. Jackknife sofas here in the toy hauler room with a removable table. You can actually slide this table here. If you don't want to eat here, you can move it here in the back with your power bed that converts into a couch. These backrest just fold down like that on both sides, and that'll make into a pretty decent sized queen mattress, and then a power queen bed that'll actually power down right up here as well. Switches just under here. And that raises and lowers your bed. Looks like we have the locks on right now. So when your locks, your safety pins are in, that just holds the bed up there. Again, outside patio. Opens up nicely. This unit comes with a 12-year rooftop warranty, 2-year bumper to bumper. Oh, I also forgot. Also in the kitchen is your 3-burner stovetop and gas oven. Overhead microwave, all stainless steel appliances. And you also have space up here above your overhead storage on both sides. Again, this unit is 37.5 feet long, 7,400 pounds. Super lightweight, easy to tow. If you have any other questions or are interested in any other units, please give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.